हाय गाइस, इट्स मी रिया एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है बहुत ही ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड स्पेशली फॉर अस ब्राउन स्किन टोन गर्ल्स के लिए, ओके। बिकॉज एक जो बहुत ही कॉमन इश्यूज़ दैट वी ब्राउन स्किन गर्ल्स ऑफन फेस इज़ पिगमेंटेशन। नाउ पिगमेंटेशन, चेहरे के बारे में तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर ही लिया है इस चैनल पे, वेदर हाउ टू गेट रिड ऑफ पिगमेंटेशन एंड स्टफ। बट आज का वीडियो होने वाला है अबाउट बॉडी पिगमेंटेशन, ठीक है। बिकॉज जो हम ब्राउन स्किन टोन गर्ल्स होते हैं, जो मीडियम टू डस्की स्किन टोन कैटेगरी के होते हैं, स्पेशली वी ऑफन गेट पिगमेंटेशंस लाइक अंडर आर्म्स हो गया या नकल्स हो गए, देन अपना एल्बो ऑल्सो गेट्स डार्क एंड पिगमेंटेड एट टाइम्स, नीज कैन गेट पिगमेंटेड, इवन योर बम फॉर दैट मैटर। तो ये जो सारे एरियाज़ होते हैं उसके लिए प्रोडक्ट्स, इफ़ यू जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़ द सेम products that you use on your face, it is not going to give you those satisfactory results, okay? Because ये जो अपने जो बॉडी का एरिया होता है, बॉडी का स्किन होता है, that requires a little bit of extra care, okay? A little bit of different kind of products. The ingredients will be the same, but the potency and stuff has to be a little different for it to work better, okay? So the product that I'm going to be sharing with you all in today's video in order to reduce the body pigmentation that you may have is by the brand called Satin by GHC. So Satin by GHC is a digital health clinic that offers personalized treatment for your health concerns from healthcare professionals, and you can also take free consultation by visiting their website and finding the right product fit based on your requirement. So the product that I'm going to be talking about in today's video is the Satin by GHC Intimate Depigmentation Serum. So this serum has kojic acid and aloe vera extract that are beneficial in clearing your skin. It also helps in tightening your pores and helps to lighten hyperpigmentation patches around the neck, back, bum, elbows, as well as your knuckles as well. So dark patches can occur due to a variety of reasons, okay? So it can happen because of excessive melanin production, because of shaving, if you are like shaving quite a lot in that area, especially your underarms and stuff, or else the friction that is caused by clothes, wearing clothes, if you are walking a lot, cycling, jogging, तो वो जो constant friction होता है between your body का skin and the clothes, that can again lead to pigmentation or dark patches as well. So kojic acid deals with dark patches or spots that appear because of excessive exposure to the sun, and it also helps in giving a uniform complexion to your skin. Lactic acid removes the upper layers of the skin and allows new lighter skin to be revealed, and it also promotes collagen production and also helps to exfoliate. And aloe vera is a natural remedy for skin conditions and ailments, and it is also a powerful antioxidant, and it also contains vitamin E, which can help with hyperpigmentation and dark skin. And lastly, glycerine helps in slogging off old, abnormal and damaged skin cells, and it also helps in improving the elasticity and softness of the skin. So to use the serum, just clean and dry the area, and then just take a generous amount of the serum and apply to the affected area and gently massage for 20 seconds until it gets completely absorbed. So like I've already mentioned before, all of the ingredients in this serum like kojic acid, lactic acid, glycerine and aloe vera will together work for reducing that pigmentation and at the same time also providing moisture to your skin. Because और एक बार क्या होता है ना, that when your skin is not like hydrated enough, that can also lead to darkening of the skin, and that is why they have included aloe vera extract and glycerine in this serum, so that अगर कुछ भी टाइप का ड्राइनेस हो अगर आपके स्किन में, that is leading to the dark patches or pigmentation, then that will also be totally taken care of, okay? And kojic acid and lactic acid, if you do not know, works extremely well. It is one of the most like important and potent ingredients that helps really well in getting rid of the dark spots and the pigmentation that you may have. So I personally feel that this serum is very well thought of and very well formulated, because apart from the factor where they have included ingredients to reduce the pigmentation, they have also added a few ingredients that will help to take care of the dryness also. So it's a very very well thought formula. But one thing I would always like to mention, that skin care, okay, it requires time and it requires patience, okay? अगर आप ऐसे ही instant overnight results चाहते हो तो वो नहीं मिलेगा आपको इस product से. You have to consistently use it, regularly to see good results. And by good results and consistency I mean at least a month's time. ठीक है, एक महीना आपको रेगुलरली इसको कंसिस्टेंटली यूज़ करना है, उसी के बाद ही आपको रिजल्ट्स दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट स्किन केयर, दैट you have to be consistent and you have to be patient. Okay, having said that, I would also like to mention one thing right here, that although all of the ingredients are very safe to use, but still because it contains these sort of actives like kojic acid and lactic acid, I would always advise you to first do a patch test first. ठीक है, because सभी के skin same नहीं होते हैं. Okay guys, सबके skin type अलग होते हैं. What suits me will not suit you, what suits you could not suit me also, right? So it is always advisable to first do a patch test first. और अगर आपको कोई भी तरीके का रिएक्शन नहीं हो रहा है इसको लगाने के बाद, then you can use it on the affected areas as well. And also whenever you're using actives, or for that matter अगर आप actives नहीं भी लगा रहे हो, on an everyday basis you have to always apply a good broad spectrum sunscreen during the day with SPF of 30 or more than that. At least SPF 30 वाला सनस्क्रीन तो आपको ज़रूर ही लगाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है गाइज, सो कंसिस्टेंटली यूज़ दिस फॉर एटलीस्ट अ मंथ एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ़ यू डिड फाइंड गुड रिजल्ट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ reducing the pigmentation or not, because मैं पर्सनली ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई हैव नोटिस्ड, आपने पिक्चर में देख ही लिया होगा, आई हैव नोटिस्ड रिडक्शन इन द काइंड ऑफ डार्कनेस दैट आई वॉज फेसिंग बेसिकली. सो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि आप भी ज़रूर ये सीरम ट्राई कीजिए. सो ये सीरम का डायरेक्ट लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है, एंड इन केस इफ़ यू परचेज थ्रू दैट लिंक ना, दैट पर्टिकुलर लिंक, देन यू विल गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट एट अ फ्लैट 30% डिस्काउंट. ठीक है गाइज, सो देयर इज़ नो सेपरेट कूपन कोड एज सच, इट्स जस्ट दैट यू हैव टू मेक योर परचेजेस थ्रू दैट लिंक. ओके, तो ऐसा भी होता है कई बार आपने वो लिंक पे क्लिक कर दिया बट यू डिड नॉट चेक आउट, अगर आप फिर दूसरा कुछ देखने लग गए, and then again you think about it and then you just type in Satin by GHC and then take the make your purchase, तो फिर आपको 30% डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलेगा. यू हैव टू अगेन गो थ्रू माई लिंक ओनली टू गेट दैट 30% डिस्काउंट. ओके, सो प्लीज़ ensure that if you want a 30% discount, please purchase through this particular link that I have given in the description box only. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you did find this video useful and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you're watching me for the first time, because I do post a lot of beauty, makeup and fashion related content here on my channel. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.